Damn, bro, got his feet down. All right, Captain. Yes, sir, papi. That boy don't know what he doing. Who let this man on 2 wheels? Oh yeah, you fucking slam on brakes for. Whee! My clutch slipped, officer. No hablo inglés. Ooh, we going to some new Mexican restaurant. They got hella burritos. It just opened today. We gonna try it out for shizzle. A room. A room. Oh, green light. That boy full tuck. Ah! I didn't do it good.
I'm too scared. I feel like I'm gonna grab it and fly over my fucking handlebars.
Fuck. The night after the Cycle Max meet, when I was going home, I took like the back way into the neighborhood, and there was like 3 white bitches sitting on the corner in the grass next to the stoplight, and I did a fat stoppie and the back slammed down, and they went, and they looked so scared, they had no idea that I even did the stoppie. They were like, oh my god, he almost wrecked. Oh my god.
Like that?
I love that. Oh my god. Yeah, boy, get off that bike. Lean off that. Ah, that one just leaned all the way off. Oh, it's right there. No quarter. Dank burrito. Dankalicious. It's alright, I'll just climb up the hill. Dude, I gotta send you the clip of you leaning all the way off the motherfucking bike. The bike was leaning to the right and you were off of that motherfucker. Oh. So never mind about the dank burrito. They had the biggest lawn ever. So we're gonna do hot chicken now. Because we were just talking about hot chicken, how we need to go back. And then we walked in there, saw the big ass line to the door, and we were like, fuck, we're gonna be here for 3 hours. Let's go to hot chicken. We both said bet. want to do some wheelies, bro.
It's boobies.
I need someone to hold me down, so what's happening? Admit I don't know how to love for you transit. You got some shit you wanna see, so we gon' grab it. I left my heart out in them streets, we steady texting. I won't say a thing, cause I got bitches on the low. And we don't need no ring, ain't play no button that I know. Bitch, I'm in a pain, with broken burners on the floor. Starting to let this pain, now bitch, I'm about to go blow. I had bought you to the click house when we left out the bottom. You say your dick stayed in New York.
Dude, it's such a vibe that me and Zach both have older bikes, and they have the undertail exhaust. It's probably my favorite thing about our bikes. Kind of hate they stopped doing it. It's so clean looking. Reminds me of like a fucking what do you call it? A jet engine. If only it shot flames out the back. That'd be perfect. We made it though. Hot chicken. Oh, get the shot on the GoPro. Yeah.
Diddy party, diddy party, diddy party.